Hello guys, and welcome to another day with the Malata. In today's video I would like to talk about my iPhone 8 product Red. It's a special edition iPhone. In today's video I would like to explain to you everything you need to know about the iPhone 8 Plus and why you should be buying one to help you make a better informed buying decision. So in this video I would like to talk about the iPhone 8 Plus to help you decide which one you should be getting. So let's begin. What does this phone has to offer? First of all, about the product Red, did you know that every Red purchase contributes directly to the global fund to fight AIDS? That is really awesome. Just by buying it, I'm already contributing. So anyways, let's talk about the iPhone 8. iPhone 8 introduces an all-new glass design, the world's most popular camera, now even better, the powerful and smartest chip ever in a smartphone. It's got wireless charging that's truly effortless and augmented reality experience never before possible. iPhone 8 is a new generation of iPhone. An iPhone formed from glass, front and back, the most durable glass ever in a smartphone, front and back, a color-matched aerospace grade aluminum band, new space gray, silver and gold finishes, and of course a red, if that's what you're going with. It's got water and dust resistant, precision engineered to resist water and dust. The glass back enables easy wireless charging. It features a 5.5-inch Retina HD display, Retina HD now with True Tone. A Retina HD display that's more beautiful than ever with True Tone, a wide color gamut and 3D touch. True Tone technology automatically adjusts the white balance to match the light around you for a better viewing experience in all kinds of environments. With a wide color gamut and the best color accuracy in the industry, everything in the screen looks more brilliant and vibrant. Dual domain pixels give you a great view of the screen from almost any angle. The world's most popular camera, even better. iPhone 8 features a more advanced 12 megapixel camera with a larger, faster sensor, a new color filter, deeper pixels, and optical image stabilization for photos and videos. Portrait mode on an iPhone 8 Plus gets even better, for sharper foregrounds and more naturally blurred backgrounds. Dual camera and new facial landmarking create dramatic studio lighting effects in portrait mode. The wide angle and telephoto lens on iPhone 8 Plus enables optical zoom as well as digital zoom up to 10 times for photos and 6 times for videos. It's got an A11 Bionic chip. It's the most powerful, full and smartest chip ever in a smartphone. Introducing A11 Bionic with 4 efficiency cores that are up to 70% faster than A10 Fusion and 2 performance cores that are up to 25% faster. A second generation performance controller provides more powerful when you need it while delivering the same great battery life. The new Apple design 3 cores GPU is up to 30% faster than A10 Fusion. It's got augmented reality. A11 Bionic powers extraordinary augmented reality apps and games that will change the way you see the world. Wireless charging for a wireless world. You can charge your wireless phone in hotels, cafes, and airports around the world. iOS is the most advanced, intuitive, secure mobile operating system in the world. It's designed to help you get the most out of your iPhone. New iOS 11, Pay Friends in Messaging lets Siri be your translator and discover new music with friends, Apple Music. That's right guys, you can actually pay your friends through messaging app. And of course, about the augmented reality. Experience is mind-blowing AR, games and apps on the world's largest platform for augmented reality. I will be making some of those videos. So anyways guys, I hope this makes a better experience for you guys to try to see if that's what you want to go with, what kind of iPhone 8 or 10. So anyways guys, I hope you like this introduction. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I make all kinds of videos on my channel that are pretty helpful and all kinds of good stuff like that. I'll be making more videos about my iPhone 8 and things that you could do with it, like video recording, how to do cinematics and stuff like that. I have a lot of information to tell you guys on this. I've been using my iPhone on my YouTube channel since I started it. All footage in this video was done with an iPhone 8. I hope this gives you an idea of how well the camera does. Please like if you like the video and subscribe.